Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. I am here with unique ideas about French nail tips. French nail tips is a very charming and very elegant nails design that can enhance your hands' beauty. French tip nails are a classic and timeless manicure style that originate in France. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you. In this video, you can see about French tip nails ideas and unique arts designs. They are characterized by a natural or nude-colored base with a script with tip. Over the years, French tip nails have evolved and various designs and variations have emerged, allowing for more creativity and personalization. Here are some popular French tip nail designs in this video. In this video, you can see many French tip nail design. For example, classic French tip, reverse French tips, radiance French tip, glitter French tip, French ombre, accent French tip, etc. French nail art can be further enhanced with intricate nail art. From delicate floral pattern to geometric designs, you can get creative with various nail art techniques like stamping, freehand painting, using the nail decals, etc. are very important and very enhancing, charming ideas to dye your nails with unique colors and patterns. Along with these ideas, classic French tip designs features very important. In this design, the traditional white tip is replaced with a colored tip while keeping the base color neutral. Popular color choice include black, metallics, pastels, or bright hues. It offers a modern twist to the classic French manicure. This is all about the nails and nail designs.